CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.3. Compare and contrast RAM characteristics. RAM channels. As we have discussed previously in this training course, RAM, or Random Access Memory, is the component in your computer that stores data temporarily for quick access by the CPU. Now, when we talk about RAM slots on a motherboard, we're referring to the physical slots on the motherboard where you install your RAM modules. Each RAM slot is strategically positioned on the motherboard to ensure efficient communication between the RAM modules and the CPU. The number of RAM slots varies depending on the motherboard's design and form factor. Some motherboards may have 2 slots, while others can have 4 or more. These slots are not interchangeable, as they are designed to accommodate specific types of RAM modules, such as DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5. It's essential to consult the motherboard's specifications to ensure compatibility when selecting and installing RAM modules. Next, let's discuss the memory bus or memory channel between the CPU and the memory slots. This pathway determines how efficiently data can be transferred between the RAM and the CPU. Imagine your computer system as a bustling city, with the CPU acting as the central command center and the RAM as a storage facility. The memory bus or channel can be likened to a highway that connects and facilitates the smooth flow of traffic or data between the RAM and CPU. This pathway is absolutely crucial because it determines how efficiently data can be transferred between the RAM and the CPU, which are the 2 most vital components of your computer system. Just like a well-designed transportation network enhances the city's productivity and connectivity, an optimized memory bus ensures that data can be accessed and processed swiftly, leading to faster overall system performance. Now, let's break down the different RAM memory channel configurations based on the number of channels. In a standard single-channel configuration, data travels along a single pathway between the CPU and RAM, much like a single-lane road. While this setup is functional, it can sometimes lead to bottlenecks, especially when the CPU demands a high volume of data. You can recognize a single-channel configuration by observing that only one RAM module is installed, or if multiple modules are present, they will not be installed with any significant pairing. A dual-channel configuration doubles the data transfer rate by utilizing 2 pathways between the CPU and RAM. Think of it as upgrading from a single-lane road to a dual-lane highway, effectively doubling the capacity for data traffic. To implement dual-channel configuration, you typically install a single RAM module or identical RAM modules in pairs, such as 2 sticks of the same capacity and speed, into specific slots on the motherboard. These slots are often color-coded, 1 color per channel, or labeled to indicate where the modules should be placed, in order to achieve dual-channel operation. When the computer system detects at least 1 RAM module in each channel, it automatically engages dual-channel mode, allowing for synchronized communication between the CPU and RAM. This synchronization ensures that data is distributed evenly across the channels, maximizing throughput and minimizing latency. Triple-channel configuration takes it a step further by employing 3 pathways between the CPU and RAM. You can picture this as a major highway with 3 lanes, capable of handling substantial data traffic with ease. Although less common than dual-channel setups, it offers even higher bandwidth for data transfer. Identifying a triple-channel setup is relatively straightforward. Just look for RAM slots to be in multiples of 3. These slots are often situated next to each other and may be color-coded or labeled to indicate their purpose in facilitating triple-channel operation. Finally, we have quad-channel configurations. In the world of memory, a quad-channel configuration stands as the pinnacle of efficiency, boasting 4 dedicated pathways or channels for data to seamlessly traverse between the CPU and RAM. This configuration can be pictured as an expansive 4-lane highway. When identifying a quad-channel setup, it's important not to confuse it with a dual-channel configuration. In a quad-channel setup, You will typically observe a motherboard with RAM slots in multiples of 4. These slots are strategically positioned and may or may not be color-coded, depending on the motherboard's design. For instance, if there are 8 slots, they may or may not be color-coded to indicate proper slot pairing for quad-channel operation, while a motherboard with only 4 slots may not utilize color coding at all. If you found this all a bit confusing, there is no need to worry. Each motherboard, when purchased, will come with documentation that can provide guidance on the proper installation and configuration of RAM modules. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.